friends, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I want to say thank you so much for the support in the previous video. It means so much to me. Thank you for everyone who has joined the challenge with me and for keeping me motivated. I appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to be making the cake that I mentioned in the previous video, the Pumpkin Bundt Cake. This is a gluten-free, low glycemic cake. Don't let those two terms scare you if you're not gluten-free or if you're not low glycemic or low sugar. This cake is super delicious, super moist. Using gluten-free flour, in my opinion, makes cakes more moist. And the coconut sugar adds a very, not unique. You can't really even tell it's different, but it's the same kind of, sweetness that it adds to a cake. I also added monk fruit sweetener to this to add a little bit more sweetness, y'all. This cake was so good. If you haven't tried using gluten-free flour, definitely try it. It's so good. And coconut sugar again adds a warm sugar flavor. It's so delicious, and it's perfect for like a pumpkin spice kind of cake. So let me know if y'all try this recipe down below. I'll let y'all vibe out in the rest of the video. Enjoy. Hey, y'all like this song? Ain't it lit? Comment down below if you like it. Alright, y'all, Leo has something to say. What do you have to say, Papa? You see Mommy making the cake? You want some? You want to eat it? So delicious, right? Yummy. Yummy? Yum, yum, yum. See? You're at a loss. You're at a loss for words. Who made it? Mama or Dada? No, Mama made it. It was Mama. It wasn't Dada. Don't be lazy like me. Totally use a hand mixer to do this. You'll get a smoother product. In the end, I did end up getting a smooth product, but it took me a while to mix it by hand. So yeah, get your hand mixer out and just whip it. It's so much easier. Y'all, I'm really enjoying this style of editing, just casually talking to you like on FaceTime. It's fun for me. Y'all let me know if you enjoy it, if you prefer that, more fancy, smancy editing. I think the style of editing that I like is a style of editing that I like to watch. So I usually like watching stuff like this when I'm cleaning or folding laundry or doing something of that sort, like to keep me entertained. So yeah, honestly, give me feedback down in the comments. Do you like this style, or let me know what y'all like. All right, y'all. So this was the final product. I know my decorating skills were not the best with this cake, y'all, but it tasted absolutely delicious. I hope y'all like it. Let me know if you try it down below. Let me know if you added anything like some chocolate chips or if you removed anything. Let me know what y'all did. And thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting my channel. It truly means a lot to me, especially after my year-long hiatus. Y'all have a blessed day.